Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from the lesson 3.6 Think Before You Speak from class 7th English textbook. So let's start. Class 7th English, chapter 3.6 Think Before You Speak. Meanings: endowed, provided or given, amends, make up for the wrong that has been done, taken aback, surprised, shocked, counseled, advised, guided. Affirmative. An affirmative answer is the answer, yes. Veracity. Truth. Transmitters of untruth. Persons who spread untruth. Margin questions. Sub-question 1. Was Disraeli trying to give a scientific reason? Answer: no, Disraeli was not trying to give a scientific reason. Sub-question 2. Was he only trying to give a message in a light-hearted but effective way? Answer: yes, he was. Sub-question 3. Do you remember someone else speaking to you angrily, without thinking? What did you do on that occasion? Did you also speak angrily? Answer: yes, I remember many occasions when my sister, who is in STD 10, spoke to me angrily, without thinking. In the beginning, I too used to talk back angrily and we used to have big fights. Then mummy told me to be patient with her as she was in class 10 and had to study a lot. After that, whenever she gets angry, I keep quiet. After some time, she comes to me and hugs me and apologizes for her anger. English workshop. Question 1. Make 2 sentences of your own with each of the words given below, using the same word as a noun in one and as a verb in another. Sub-question 1. Change. As a noun, you must be the change you wish to see in the world, said Mahatma Gandhi. As a verb, please change this light bulb. Sub-question 2. Show. As a noun, the show we saw this morning was excellent. As a verb, Rita, show me the way to your house. Sub-question 3. Throw. As a noun, that was an excellent throw on the part of the fielder. As a verb, throw the ball to the bowler, Ramu, said the captain. Sub-question 4. Return. As a noun, the returns on this investment are excellent. As a verb, the actress returned home disappointed. Sub-question 5. Benefit. Noun. Please take the benefit of our yoga classes. Verb. You will benefit from this treatment. Question 2. Complete the following. Sub-question 1. Our ears are like funnels because there is no door with which you can close them. Sub-question 2. The 2 rows of teeth are like a fence because if you have to speak even one single word, that word must pass through the teeth. Sub-question 3. The 2 lips are like a fence because if you have to speak even one single word, that word must pass through the lips. Sub-question 4. Harsh words are like scattered bits of paper carried away by the wind because once you have spoken the words aloud, it is very difficult to take them back. Question 3. Write a brief summary of the story of the young man and his spiritual teacher, making the young man the narrator. You may begin as given below. I went quickly to my spiritual teacher for advice because I had. Ans. I went quickly to my spiritual teacher for advice because I had spoken very harshly to my friend and hurt him. I wanted to make amends. My spiritual teacher told me to write down on a sheet of paper all the harsh things I had said. After I did it, he told me to tear the paper into small bits and throw the bits out of the window. I obeyed, and the wind carried the bits far and wide. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Then my teacher told me to go out and collect as many bits of paper as I could. I was shocked, but did what he asked. However, I could not find a single bit of the paper that I had torn earlier. My teacher then said that this was what happened with the spoken word. Once the words were spoken aloud, it was difficult to take them back. Therefore, one had to think before speaking. A good lesson for me for the future.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.